Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about men and essential oils. Started probably, I think, over 2 years ago now with oils, and I was super excited and told Chris all about this kit that I was gonna get, and he was like, okay, whatever. And wasn't against it, but really wasn't like into it. And so it took a while, and I think, so I get a lot of questions now that we've been using them for so long, like about like ladies' husbands or boyfriends or whatever, and they just have questions on like how to share oils in a way that they would understand and like a way that they would get into it. So I thought it would be fun. Well, I wanted to do this video, but I thought it would be fun to have Chris do it with me and also just kind of share his story and his oils that he likes, just to kind of get a male perspective. Right? So you can just go ahead and then I will insert my whatever I think about.
I was happy to talk about this and help out because, like Tori said, when she first was doing this or started in oils, I literally did not understand it at all. I had no idea what essential oils were, how they worked, and so what I'll do is I'll share kind of like how I kind of got into it, and then not only just like got into it to support her, but then now I brought like my oils that I like or that are good for men too. So it's kind of a two-part. So I'll share at the end like the oils that I like and why they're good for men, and something that's worth trying. So when we got into it, I just didn't get it, but I wasn't against it. I just wasn't like fully behind it. I just didn't quite understand it. And so what happened was you slowly were you were gradually getting rid of like our laundry soap, perfumes, laundry detergent, I already said that. Cleaners, all that stuff.
Dish soap, dishwasher, just really everything. Candles, fragrance, like plug-ins, and switching everything to just oils and diffusers.
Yes, so she's slowly transitioning that. So I was like, all right, whatever. But then when you go to someone else's house or you smell that fragrance, like that synthetic, fake, chemical fragrance, it's just like mind-blowing. And so that's when I really got behind it. So gradually she was switching that over, and then I'd probably say like 6 months after we started oils, you smell that and it's like, oh my gosh, you really like get the understanding of like oils are for real. So that's what happened for me. And then so from there, like I wanted to like smell oils and be like, oh, man, that smells good. What's this for? I wanted to learn more and more. Learn more and more about it. So that's kind of how I came into like liking it, but then I still wasn't using them.
Like for yourself, personal,
We were using them around the house and then using them for kids, but I was just watching her do it all. I wasn't really participating in the oils. So I would just encourage any guy that's watching that absolutely maybe try out some of these oils that I'm about to mention, and switch out of cologne, or make one of those switches, because then once you go back to cologne or smell cologne, it is so
super strong, like just gives me a headache when I smell artificial. It's just synthetic fragrance, fake fragrance, and it's just a twofold with that, just specifically in cologne, because switching to an essential oil cologne is you're removing the toxins from your previous cologne, but also benefiting your hormones and testosterone and all kinds of things. So it's like super beneficial.
Yeah, because there's a lot of talk about hormones for women, and then testosterone builders, I guess, for men with oils. I didn't know that was a thing, and I've done more research on some of the oils I have here and just what they do for men specifically, and it's like, oh, okay. So like stuff that I learned, there's essential oils, like for example, Northern Lights Black Spruce is an oil that I'll share. Like that's an essential oil, and then there's a blend. So I have a blend of gratitude. So I'm like, gratitude, like what kind of gratitude plant? Is there a gratitude plant? Like I didn't understand the blends, but now I understand like it's a blend of different essential oils, like the main essential oil, to create other blends that do different things. So I'll go through my oils real quick.
And I will put like a little info card or whatever on whatever side, so you can see more about each oil. And get a closer look at it.
It's hard to see. So Northern Lights Black Spruce and Idaho Blue Spruce are really earthy, grounding, smell great.
Both tree oils.
tree oils that are a base to the oils that I like. So Northern Lights and Idaho Blue Spruce are, and you can look it up online. It's just great for men's testosterone. They smell like so good. And that's
very manly, very outdoorsy.
Yep. And that's the point of like why you wear cologne, why you want to, you know, smell good, feel good. But when you smell these, it's like a different, like, oh, that just smells like rich and really good. So
good. And natural.
And natural, yep. And so these are the baseline oils. So I would recommend ordering that for
those two, yeah.
For a male to try out and to smell and start with those. So then once you have those, then you can move to the other three that I have here, which is Shutran. So this is the cologne for men, and it's used with some of the Idaho Blue Spruce and the Black Spruce, and this is just like, this is the oil for men.
It smells so good.
Yeah, this is what, if you want to get some, you know, male into oils, order this for them. It's expensive, but
it's less than a bottle of cologne though.
Yep, it's less than a bottle of cologne. And I mean, something fun I like to do is when like a guy friend comes over, I like to just like have them put this on and show their wife just to get their reaction. And it's so funny because every time it's just like, whoa, what is that? And so it's like, why would you not want to wear this? It just gets the attention of your wife or girlfriend, and it's like awesome. So Shutran is absolutely the one. And that's where I didn't understand it. Like I thought this was, I just didn't know how this was made. So it's a blend of oils that really smell awesome. So
go ahead, keep going.
yeah, so that's the one. If you want to transition.
This is like the cologne oil. This is a lot of support too. It supports men in a lot of different ways. Again, I'll put the infographic with more information too.
The next one is Gratitude. So this is just one I prefer. Same thing, woodsy, earthy, something I put on. Maybe I don't want to use Shutran. It's not as like cologne-y, or not cologne, but just it's not as fragrancy. Yeah,
it's more grounding. It's
just
not
something
as,
I
like uplifting. I feel like it's more
something I like at night or just when I want to throw something on.
Yeah, this is mostly tree oil. It's not like, this one is a good blend. It's like a little sweeter.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Anyways, yeah.
And then this one is actually called grounding. So we've learned a lot about grounding. Torey has, just about kind of slowing, like connecting with earth, and just like literally what grounding is like taking your shoes off and like feeling the earth. And when you smell this, that's kind of how I feel. It's like I feel like I'm slowing down,
centering.
So yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool. So I just think of the opposite, like, right, spraying just cologne. It's like, that's not, that's just sick and like not grounding. So this one's literally called grounding. Same thing. This blend is gonna be all of your cedar wood, black spruce. Oh yeah, branches, leaves, bark oil. That's cedar wood, sorry. But anyway, that's a really good one.
Yeah, we just recently got grounding. So I kind of want, it's very similar to Gratitude. It's just, there's a couple oils that are different. So we just recently got this, but I did want to show you too. So something we did with both of these, you can take off the regular lid, and Young Living has them, or you can get them somewhere else too, or on Amazon, but you can just put a roller right on the bottle. And that's an easier way to use it. So I feel like you don't waste as much either. It's not just dripping all over. You can just roll it exactly where you want. Oh, and were you gonna share this, or can I just, while I'm talking about it? Another thing is you can dilute. So if you see the price on this, and what is it? I think it's like 70.
Yep.
I think it's like 70, maybe $80 for this bottle, and this is a 15 mil. But you can dilute it like 3 times, I don't know, as much as you want really. And this is what we do too, to just kind of make it last longer. You can do that with all essential oils, but this is just a roller that we've put Shutran and just coconut oil to dilute it in. And
she's always diluting stuff for me, because that's kind of my downfall with essential oils. I use too much. I'm just like, oh yeah,
just slaps
yes. But so that's a really good, because that's lasted forever. But
yep, this has. When did I get this for you?
I don't know.
It's halfway gone.
2 years ago?
No.
No, a year ago. A year
like
ago?
maybe a year.
Yeah. But anyway,
Yeah.
that is, I guess when it comes to oils, just like the grounding, the centering, just more of a health, natural plants.
Yeah.
You just feel, I don't know, you just feel all that woodsy, earthy. I think that's all good things. If that's not what, I don't know, it's just something
Well, it's all about just gradually getting toxins that you don't need and really just unnecessary toxins from your home slowly, and just replacing them with something more natural.
Yep.
And so that's why I say, like, we did like the cleaners, the laundry, fragrance, honestly, cologne, perfume, makeup. Those were like some of the last things that I switched over.
dryer sheets.
Especially for you. That was like the first thing.
Well, I know there's some stuff that's like, oh yeah, but anyway, that's really
yeah, just about controlling the toxins and the bad stuff that you can, because they're obviously like environmental and like other toxins you don't have any control over. So just eliminating the ones you can is what's important to us.
Yeah, because again, when you walk into someone's house that's not, and it's just full go candles, Glade plugins, it's like,
it just gives me a headache.
Yeah, you just really realize it. So
super strong.
Yep. And then the last one, just my favorite, one of my favorite blends is Christmas Spirit, and that is really too where I kind of turned the corner. I was like, whoa. So this is cinnamon, orange, and then black spruce or some sort of
tree.
It's
black spruce.
So it's orange, cinnamon, and it just, you smell it and it's like, boom, just Christmas. Like, it's so cool. So that's one where she ordered that and I'm like, oh, that is just so cool. So we'll diffuse that around Christmas time, and even now I like to just smell it. And
yeah, this is a super popular oil. I think all year round too. People love this, but we like it mostly just during the holiday season. It's just very warm.
So yeah, that's the last thing I would say is that this is not, if you're like on the fence, like what is essential oil? It's not hokey. Is hokey okay?
Yeah,
hokey?
I think so. Yeah.
It's like, yeah, I didn't get it.
Have healing powers, and it's not this like weird thing. It's just about going more natural because your body like deserves that.
We're not witches with potions, and it's like, yeah, it's not. I thought it was this weird. It's just a way to, yeah, like I said, just go more natural, safer,
just earth
cleaner.
Fragrance plus health benefits.
Yep. So that's it.
Support.
Right?
Yeah, I think that's good. So if we left anything out, if you have any other questions that your husbands or guys have, just let me know in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram, and let us know what video you want us to film together next, because I think it's fun just to get like a different perspective and different opinions and from you too. So let us know what you want next. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.